Afterday Guam, I'm going to show you how we prepare this window for IR ceramic window tint. And the first thing you need to do is remove the existing window tint. Okay, so this junk film, throw it in trash. So before we clean the glue, what I like to do is I like to roll the windows down, and I want to clean the window seals on the inside. Nice and clean. Once you're done cleaning the window sills, you can go ahead and roll up the window. And then we're gonna start blading the inside of the glass. Make sure you get you can do this multiple ways. If you're using an actual blade, please be careful not to cut yourself and not to cut the car, but safety first, so do not cut yourself. If you have no confidence in yourself with using an actual blade, they do offer plastic blades. Plastic blades, these are okay, but I prefer the real blade. It's faster, more efficient. You just have to be very cautious. Okay, before we roll up the window, we want to get the sides of the door. And the best way to get the sides of the door, but what you want to do to clean the sides, use your blade, and then you want to just run the sides. So always add lubrication. This helps minimize the scratches. This. See, then you pull it away. Then we'll spray up everything, and before we do that, we spray everything one more time. You want to scrub down your window to collect all the leftover glue. Do not use green scrub brushes or scrubbers. Use white or blue. This is non-abrasive. It will not scratch your car or your glass. So use blue or white. Okay? Wipe all your surrounding areas, the inside, but this time instead of using your blade, you'll use this. It's called a triangle tool, corner tool. There's too many lingos in tint. It's just a tool that fits in the edge. I like to call it a corner tool. I think it's called a triangle. The real terminology is triangle. I don't freaking know. Yeah. Then, when that's done, before you move forward, you want to inspect everything. Make sure everything's clean, and then you go to the other side. You want to clean the outside as well, and then because you want to inspect, so you got a little dirt right there, you can take that off. And clean, spray it. Remember, blue scrub brush. You use this time to look around. You'll notice any contamination like this. If you look, you'll see it. See, you can see that. It's contamination right there. Yeah, it's pretty good. And then, of course, just like how you do it on the inside, get your rag. And you want to wipe around the edges. Make sure your area is clean as much as you possibly can. Contamination is inevitable. It will always be there, but as an installer, you can do the proper steps to minimize contamination. So I have a little contamination on the inside. You can barely see it. So I'm just going to clean this one more time because I like to make sure that my surface is very clean, so that way my customers are super happy. So here at Cherry Detailing, we really strive to meet or exceed customer expectations. And we always encourage our customers to let us know if you have any issues, so that way we can correct it. We are not your typical detailers. We want to make sure everyone is happy with our service. And that's how it's supposed to be. Cool. And you basically repeat the process until your window is absolutely clean. And if you have any questions, don't forget to give me a call.